Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, guys. How are you all today? My name is Adnan Zafar. Welcome to AZM Vlogs. Today AZM brought you something very special, a bike that is challenging everyone in the market. Why I'm saying that? Because this bike name, first of all, its bike name is a Challenger Darkhorse 2020. And why is challenging other bike? Because Indian motorcycle, they want to compete in motorcycle industry of America. So this is American motorcycle and they want to compete other brands in America and even all around the world in the cruise industry. So that's why they come up with this amazing Indian Challenger series. So this bike is challenging in all the aspects, with tech, with engine power and with amazing good looking style. So let us ride this bike today and we see how much pleasure and amazing thing this bike can provide us. Well, it's too much windy today, but we have to do what we have to do. So let us talk about engine. It is V-twin engine, 60-degree fit into the frame with aluminum cast frame, and then you have 122 horsepower coming out of this amazingly beautiful design engine. What I like about Indian bikes, the way they design the engine look, they always work on it very hard. To design the Indian logo, you will not find in most of the bikes. It's very nice, nicely designed, this kind of bikes here. And then especially their logo, when the Indian was established in 1901. And then you have 6-speed gear with our ride option. Our ride option will provide you more control on the gearing system. So whenever you need more power from it, you can get it from it. And then you have all the looks you required for this kind of bike. Oh, it's very responsive to the gearing system. Wow, it's really powerful. Response from the engine is really Power Plus. That's why they named the engine Power Plus engine. Infotainment system is been divided into two pieces. One, a screen in front of you, that is TFT screen, that is touchable screen, and then you have two analog meters on top of you with many information that can be changed and that can be used while you're riding the bike. So if you see the infotainment system and analog system here, analog meter system, it gives you all the information you required. The cruise controls icons are there, the fuel gauges are there, and then even here on this side you have traction control, key lock system, engine light, ABS light, and then you have how many kilometers, odometers on that side, and the gear indicator. And here you have the infotainment system that provide you whatever you like to watch. You have music system, you can have, let us just have this 9.5 and we see how much great sound this will make. So see, so right now it's a radio. It's very quite heavy sound is coming. I'm still not on the full volume. I'm still on number 2. If you let us go to full volume. I'm sure you cannot hear me because the sound was just too loud. Too loud sound is coming from these two speakers. And on this side you have light and horn, and then the signal turn and light, and then you can control your things from here. The volume, see, the volume will change there, and then here you can change the radio station and many things you can do from here. You have different kind of source. You can have AM radio, USB port, Bluetooth mode. So all these modes are there. And then you have this window screen. Let me just turn the sound a little bit down. so we can talk about it. And here you have showing you the voltage of the battery and the temperature, and then you have this current ride. What ride you are doing, it will provide you all the information about it. Very nicely designed infotainment system. On this side you have starter button, and then you have this cruise control button, and then you have this windscreen control button, so you can control the windscreen up to your size, whatever size you like to do. So this is the maximum it can go, but this one even can stop a lot of air coming to your face. Let us talk about sitting capacity, sitting style. Sitting style is just look amazing the way this bike has been designed to sit. And then you have in front of you the infotainment system that look amazing in the way they have they designed the system very well. So we talk about the front side here. You have beautifully designed LED lights, and then here you have center big light here, and here even you have a light on this logo of the Indian. Beautifully designed wide face, so it also give you a lot of control on the wind. While you're driving in the wind, it will give you a lot of aerodynamic kind of things, help you to drive very safely. So let us talk about from the back side. Back side you have this 2 brake light plus a signal light. It acts as a both, and then you have this number plate area, and then you have these 2 amazingly beautifully designed tab 3 exhaust system, but this was put by the owner. It's not coming with the original bike. It was changed by the owner. So let me just start it to give you the good sound you are going to get it from it. Let us just a little bit raise to it. Oh, see, the sound is just amazing, really.
Power Plus engine is coming with 3 modes: rain, standard and sports. As today weather is rainy, so let us try a rain mode. So rain mode is very ideal for the rainy condition. As today we have a rainy weather, so let us try this rain mode. So once I turn on the rain mode, the throttle control, the response from the throttle has been decreased, giving you more control and the traction. And then you have mostly the power has been given to the system of the bike, and you don't feel much response coming from the engine because throttle system has been decreased to give you safer ride in the rainy conditions. I'm trying to push the speed, but I'm not able to because all the control of the speed has been given to the system of the bike. It locked me. I cannot speed it anymore. It locked the system. Now I don't have speed and control of the system. It's just taking control because of the rain mode, and it's very good safety feature. I really like it. So these bikes come with one special technology, smart lean technology. No matter how much you lean, there is a system always there to help. Smart lean technology has been designed to help you while you are trying to take lean angles on these kind of roads. So once you are trying to lean, the 4 systems will activate right away to help you. The first one is DTC, then ABS, the dynamic traction control, and the third one is IMU, that is provided by the Bosch. Now, once you are on the lean angle, the bike itself will take full control and will give you a proper help to make the turn you want. The braking and suspension is the most important part of any bike. If that 2 things are not so good enough, your ride will be too much uncomfortable and with fear that you will not have good brake. But this bike was very good responsive on the braking, and the suspension was very nice and comfortable. Let us quickly turn on the cruise control. This is one of the best features I like in bikes. While you are driving on the long trips, the cruise control is the one will help you in any matter it can. The thing is that now it's too much windy and the bike is taking full control of everything, and there is too much wind is coming up, but still the bike has very strong hold on the cruise control. I love the cruise control, the way this bike is handling it.
Here, this trunk, it has a lot of capacity into it. Let me just open for you. So you can keep a lot of stuff here in this trunk. And then you have this back trunk. This was not part of it. It was put by the owner later on. This is how you open the fuel tank. So here you put the fuel. And this is the key for the Indian motorcycle. It's very nicely designed. Lock and unlock key. And then you have an extra key. If the battery is down, you can use this key to operate the bike.
So guys, this was my review about Indian Challenger Darkhorse 2020. This bike is just amazing and it performing very well on the road. Very nice cruise bike. If you like to travel a lot, if you like to go to long route or anything like that, this bike is for you. Even in the city ride, this bike performed very well. And I would like to thank to the owner to providing me this bike for the review. And also I would like to thank for the jacket provider Hamras International. If you have any question about them, you can ask me in the comment section. And thank you very much guys. Azam out. If you have any question from Azam, please let me know in the comment section. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.